So guys, if your account region is stay in Nigeria and you want to change it to maybe a country like USA, United Kingdom, France, whereby you can be eligible to their creator program and start earning rewards and money from TikTok, then this video is for you because I'm going to guide you through step by step how to change your account from the current region it is, maybe if it's in Nigeria, to a monetizable country and you start making money off it, right? And all I want you to do is to like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification so you're going to be notified whenever I drop amazing videos on this particular channel. So with that being said, if you already have an account, all you need to do is to watch this video to the end without missing any part. So to get started, all you have to do is to come to your account, then click on the three icon at the top right here. So once you click on it, all you have to do, you're going to go to where it says setting and privacy. You want to go ahead and click on that. And once you click on that, you want to go ahead and scroll all the way down to where it says privacy center. You want to go ahead and click on that. And if you already don't have a TikTok account, you want to create an account, a monetizable TikTok account. I've made a detailed video how to do that step by step, click by click. You can go ahead and check the video after you might have watched this particular one. So once you're at this interface, all you have to do is to scroll all the way down to where you say contacts right here. Just click on contacts. And then once you do that, what will happen? It will load up a different interface. And once you do that, all you have to do is to keep scrolling down to where you say privacy inquiries. Then you want to click on it. Right, so once you do that, now you see other options: privacy portal, help understand what concerns better. Now you see stuff like I'm being bullied, harassed on TikTok, someone is pretending to be me on blah blah blah. So the one you want to go ahead and do is to click on this one. I said I would like to report a privacy concern, exercise my data rights. So you're going to click on that and click on continue. Now once you do that, it will load up a different interface, and this interface will ask you to submit a privacy request, right? And then once you do that, they're going to ask you your current region of residence. So all you want to do, you want to be sincere about it. If you're in Nigeria, you just say you're in Nigeria, right? And all you have to do, you go ahead and look for Nigeria right there, right? So I'm going to put Nigeria, and then we say which product are you submitting your request for. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to click on TikTok. Do you have a TikTok account? I'm going to click on yes. Then the username, I'm going to enter the username, right? And you must make sure you don't add the special character like at. You just put in your username. Now submit a request. Then they're going to ask you a request. They say exercise your rights under data protection law. So you're going to click on that, and then they're going to ask you for a Gmail. So make sure the Gmail you're putting is linked to the particular Gmail or the particular TikTok account you want to, change the region from. So I'm going to put in this right real quick. Done that. The next thing you want to do, they want to ask you to select a subcategory. Then you want to go ahead and then add this and said I want to download my TikTok data, I want to delete TikTok data. Then you're going to see where I say I want to change my account region. Click on it, right? So they're going to say to locate your account region, go to settings, blah 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 blah. So they say current country region. You come right here and then click on the current country region you are right now. I'm going to click on Nigeria, and then desired country region you want to change from. I'm going to click on, let's use United Kingdom, because United Kingdom is easily to create account on. I'm going to scroll the way down to United Kingdom. Let's get that done easily. And there you go. Boom. Right. So once you do that, then you're going to click on this and click on this. And once you do that, you make sure everything is accurate. The next thing you want to do is, first of all, we're going to scroll the way down. You see where they ask us your country or region of residence. If your account was registered in the United States, please submit your request using the US privacy form. So I'm going to use Nigeria because that's the place we created the account really quick, right? So the next thing we want to do is to hit on submit, and then they're going to say verify your email before you submit. They say this is also Gmail. There'll be a code sent to it. I'm going to click on send the verification code, and then once I do that, I'm going to come to my Gmail real quick. I'm going to refresh the Gmail. And there you go. You're going to see the code right here. So the code is like EUF59G blah, 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 blah. So this code going to elapse or expire in 2 hours. I'm going to go ahead and copy it because it's a one-time code. And I'm going to come right here and then paste. And I'm going to hit on submit. And once I do that, they say, thank you for submitting your request. And this is going to take maybe 24 or 48 hours. they're going to send you a mail either accepting your request or rejecting your request. And if they do that, then the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and then try it again. And now, before you try it again the next time, you want to be sure that you are actually consistent posting on your account, on that particular account, and also you make sure your VPN is turned off. And once you do that, that will be certain that you can go ahead and try it again after maybe 24, 48 hours, and they will send you a mail. Once you receive a mail like this, where they said, "Hello, we understand you want to change your TikTok account from Nigeria to the United Kingdom. Before we can proceed with the account country, change your request. Please take a moment to note, retrieve any funds you have to another stuff, data loss caution." So, which is to say, you're going to lose maybe whatever data or money you have in your previous account on the region. And once you receive this mail, all you have to do is to go down below on the reply button and then reply with kindly proceed with updating my TikTok region from Nigeria to the United Kingdom. And in the next 24 hours, you can go ahead and check your region to change from Nigeria to whatever country you want to switch to. But if you receive this other message like this, where they say, "Hello, we understand that you want to change your country, that the further your account, we regret to inform you that you do not currently meet the eligibility criteria for updating your country to the United Kingdom." So the reason is because it's either one, you're not actively posting on that particular TikTok account, and secondly, you'll be needing a VPN to stay active on the particular region you want to change your account to. Let's say you want to change to United Kingdom. For the next 60 days, you must be currently active using VPN to log in on that particular account, either whatever you want to post, you want to scroll on the platform, or you want to do whatever. But you must make sure that the VPN of the particular region you want to change to must be on. And once that you've done that for the next 60 days, then go ahead and do this thing again. It will work for you. So with that being said, this is how you can change your account from a Nigerian TikTok account region to a United Kingdom, France, or whatever country region you choose. And this is the easy step you can use to get that done. And if you enjoyed this video, you'll understand what I did right here on this particular video. All I want you to do is to click on like right there, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification so you get notified whenever I upload amazing videos like this on the channel. And also, if you as well got your account updated, comment down below, say, "Bernard, I got my account updated from Nigeria to UK," and let's just see if this work for you right there. And with that being said, until I see you on my next video, stay safe, peace out, and take care.